Hey you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and film some Mother's Day baskets, and this is gonna be the first one. How cute is that? This is gonna be the second one. How cute is that? And this is gonna be the third one. What do you guys think? I'm loving them. Okay. The first thing I'm going to add to each basket is going to be a notebook. How cute are these? So I got these at Walmart. They were $3. Now you can leave the plastic on, or you can just, because it does come off as well. If you want to go ahead and open it, the plastic stays on, or it could come off. It's up to you. The first thing that I am adding is this makeup palette. I thought it would be great to add in here, especially for Mother's Day. Okay, how cute is that? So we're gonna go ahead and add this one right there. Ahead and add this one right there, and then we're gonna go ahead and add this one right here. So there you go. What do you guys think? Seal on or seal off? I think we're gonna take it off. Perfect. And I'm gonna do the other one as well. I don't want it to flip. If it flips, it's fine. I'm not perfect. But I think that is really pretty. What do you guys think? So since this one does go all the way to the bottom, I'm gonna do that. And let it just go all the way to the bottom. The next thing that I'm going to add is a hand sanitizer. So these are on my Walmart storefront. If you guys want to go ahead and purchase one, you guys can go ahead and purchase it. I'll leave the link down below. But I thought they would be so cute for Mother's Day. So everybody's getting one. What do you guys think? So far, it's coming out adorable. Now I can always lift this basket more, if I want to more. I just have to adjust everything. Okay. I am also gonna go ahead and add in this. This is the spa, and this is the foot spa kit. So it has a foot scrub, a foot mask, and a foot lotion. And this was at the dollar store for $1.25. I'm gonna add this in here as well. I think that's gonna be cute. I'm gonna bring in the bear just a little bit and do the next one as well. As well. Okay, so that right there is adorable. And make sure you guys get it all. Okay, so that's very cute. So the next thing I am going to go ahead and add is my Liquidiv, and this is the sugar-free. So go ahead and order that if you want to, you guys. I have the link down below. This is the lemon lime. This is the raspberry. This is the lemon lime. And I also have the grapes. I'll leave a link for that down below. The last thing that I will be adding is going to be the pens. So I found these pens and I thought they were so cute at the Dollar Tree. Look how cool they are. So I don't care for that. I'm going to go ahead and take that off. If I can. So the notebooks, I found them at Walmart. The pens, I found them at the Dollar Tree. Look at this one. How cute is that? And I'm just gonna rip this off. And then I found one last one, and that's it. And there you go. How cute are these? These are adorable and they go great with the theme. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in here. I'm gonna put this one in here. Or you know what? I could put this one in here. And this one in here. Isn't that adorable? Like, wouldn't you want to get one of these for Mother's Day? You guys, check out my Mother's Day giveaway and see what I add in there. I am also going to give them some money. So I made these money holders. How cute are they? Tell me those are not cute. The bestie, Chrissy, thank you. She sent me the paper and it is one full sheet. I can send you the template. Not send you. I can sell you the template if you want it and you'll have it there forever. Once you have it, it's yours forever. You know, you add the money. You can even add a gift card in here. Then you close it up. Then you add it wherever you want. How cool is that? You open it up. You grab the money, whatever you're gonna put in there. You close it up. And it's a little heart. And then you add it to your basket. One last one. And isn't it cute that it's a little heart? And there you go. And then you add it. Now let's go ahead and close these up and get them ready for my sisters. So I am going to use the Dollar Tree bags. Let me go ahead and get them. Okay, let's finish them up. And I'm just going to wrap them up with the Dollar Tree bags. You get 2 for $1. Then my friend Marilyn sent me. And then as well as the ribbon. Now the ribbon, I have it on my Amazon storefront, which I will link down below. It's so pretty. So it's going to go with all the colors. So let's go ahead and do that. And yeah, happy Mother's Day, you guys. I hope you guys have a great Mother's Day. I hope you get everything you want, you guys. I will be doing my giveaway, so be on the lookout for the giveaway as well. If you can find it, join it. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this up. Now, when I'm wrapping it up, you got to be careful that nothing moves. If it does, it's fine. You're going to take it all the way up. You're going to bring it back. And then I have a ton of videos that show you what to do next, so don't worry about that. Go ahead and watch another video if that's what you want, or just one it. I'm going to tuck it in. And then I'm gonna tape it shut. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I'm gonna bring it to the side. I'm gonna bring it in. And this one I don't have to. I'm just gonna tape it. You're gonna turn it around. You're gonna grab your ribbon. I want a little bit of ribbon so it could just flow really pretty. Halfway. We're gonna tie it super tight, like you're tying your shoelaces. Make a ribbon. Make a cute bow. Let it hang. Grab the top. You're gonna cut a third of the top off. And you're gonna fluff it up. How simple were those instructions? And then there you go. You have an adorable Mother's Day basket. And I'm gonna go ahead and lift it a little more. And I'm gonna bring it back just a little more. So let me go ahead and do the rest of them. And then I'll show you how they came out. But I'm so happy with them. They're so cute. I hope they like them. They have a little notebook. They have money, some makeup, some hand sanitizer, and some spa. So let me go ahead and do the rest. If you guys want to see it, you guys can see it. If you guys want to skip it, you guys can skip it. It's up to you. What are you guys going to do for Mother's Day? How are you guys going to celebrate? You need to be with your mom. Are you the mom? Because that's cool too. I don't want the pan to move, so I'm going to stick it a little more. Over here kind of moved a little bit, but I'm okay with that as well. I'm going to tuck it, bring it to the back, tuck it again, and just do the same thing. And tape it. And tape it. So you're going to pull it up. You're going to tuck it as tight as you can, and you're going to tape it. Now this one you don't have to bring all the way back in because it is already. Grab your ribbon. And I'm going to go ahead and finish it up. Grab half of it, bring it around, make a knot. Make a bow. These are for my sisters. I hope they like them. I like them. But let's see if they like them. Because you know, people always have something, even your own family, to complain about. Like they're never happy. So let me go into the other one and I'll be back. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and finish this off. Bring it up, bring the ribbon, and we're almost done. Come on, besties, we can do this. I'm gonna bring it up, and I'm done. What do you guys think? I hope you guys like them. Happy Mother's Day, you guys. I hope you guys like them. These are going to be for my sisters. I hope they like them. I know they will. I wish you the best. Make sure you enter my Mother's Day giveaway. It's going to be up soon. And yeah, happy Mother's Day. And until next time, bye, you guys.